Let's imagine you've done everything we've talked about in the previous video. You've written a great book, you've built an email list, you've got a website, and you've even got a reader magnet bringing in new readers. And now, book 2 is coming out. So, you write this, book 2 is finally here, grab your copy today. Sounds fine, right? Well, who is it for? Your email subscribers? Your Instagram followers? Someone who's never even heard of you? The truth is, that's really written for nobody. Because every audience has a different relationship with you, and that's why every promotion needs to be calibrated. I'm Ross from the Alliance of Independent Authors, and in this video, I'm going to help you rewrite your promotion in 3 ways that help you match your audience temperature: warm, cool, and cold. And if you're liking these videos and it's helping your career as an indie author, please hit the like and subscribe button, as it goes a long way in keeping this channel free and available to all. Think of your readers like this. Warm readers already know you. They bought your books, they're on your email list, and they trust you. Cool readers know your name. Maybe they follow you on Instagram. Maybe they've downloaded a sample. They're interested, but they haven't yet committed. And cold readers have never heard of you. No relationship, no trust, no context. So let's see what happens when we adjust each of our promotions for each category. Let's start with our warm audience. Instead of saying, book 2 is finally here, we might write, you're invited back, return to the Kingdom of Ash before public launch and enjoy an exclusive discount copy now. Notice what we didn't do. We didn't explain the world, we didn't explain the characters, we didn't actually even explain what the book is about, because we don't need to. These readers already know you. Instead, we're rewarding their loyalty. We're saying, thanks for being here first. And that's exactly what a warm audience responds to. And if you want a simple way to apply everything that we've covered here, we've created a free cheat sheet from the book Sell More Books. It includes ideas and concepts from this video. Okay, so moving on to cool. Let's imagine someone who follows us on Instagram. So they've seen a few of our posts, maybe they recognize our cover, but they've never actually bought a book from us. So how can we change the promotion? You could say something like, start the adventure, read the free first chapter that began the series before book 2 arrives. So see the difference there? We've added context, but not a full introduction, just enough to move them one step closer so that they're curious. We're helping them become more confident. Now let's imagine someone who's never heard of us before. Our previous promotion won't work, so we rewrite it again. A new fantasy adventure for fans of, insert comp author here. Download your free chapter today. See, everything's changed. No mention of book 2, no insider language, no assumptions, and we're not asking for a sale yet. We're introducing the world, not the launch, because this reader isn't ready for book 2 yet. They're still deciding on whether book 1 is worth picking up. Now look at those 3 promotions. Same author, same series, same launch. 3 completely different messages. Not because the book changed, because the relationship changed. And that's the mistake most authors make. They write one promotion and send it everywhere, instead of asking yourself the simple question before the campaign. How well does this audience actually know me? Because the warmer the relationship, the less explanation you need. The colder the relationship, the more context you need. So calibrate your promotions to the reader that's in front of you, and you'll create messages that feel more relevant, more personal, and ultimately more effective.